Children, let us learn. This is letter A. A says A. A is for arc. A, avocado. A, ant. A, arrow. Remember the sound A. Letter B. B says B. B is for B. B, bag. B, bike. B, ball. B. Letter C. C says K. K. K is for candy. K, cake. K, car. K, cat. K. This is letter D. D says D. D is for dentist. D, doll. D, dog. D, dig. Remember the sound D. Letter E. E says E. E is for elf. E, elephant. E, elevator. E, 11. E. Letter F. F says F. F is for fish. F, fan. F, for. F, face. F. Letter G. G says G. G is for gate. G, gold. G, gum. G, gift. G. Letter H. H says H is for hair. H, hen. H, hole. H, heart. Letter I. I says E. E is for igloo. E, insect. E, infant. E, Indian. E. Another sound of letter I is I, long sound I, same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, I, island. I, ice cream. I, ice candy. I, ice pick. I. This is letter J. J says J. J is for jam. J, jug. J, jog. J, jump. J. Letter K. K says K. K is for kite. K, kit. K, koi. K, kelp. K. Letter L. L says L. L is for lion. L, lamp. L, leaf. L, lamb. L. Letter M. M says M. M is for moon. M, mom. M, milk. M, monkey. Remember the sound M. Letter N. N says N. N is for none. N, nuts. N, nest. N, nine. N. Letter O. O says O. O is for orange. O, octopus. O, oval. O, opal. O. Letter P. P says P. P is for push. P. Pull. Peacock. P. Pen. P. Letter Q. Q says Qu. Qu is for queen. Qu. Quill. Qu. Quilt. Qu. Quail. Qu. Letter R. R says R. R is for roasted. R. Rabbit. R. Rock. R. Radio. R. Letter S. S says S. S is for sea. S. Seal. S. So. S. Seven. S. This is letter T. T says T. T is for time. T. 10. T. Tap. T. Tulip. T. Letter U. U says O. O is for under. O. Upstairs. O. Umbrella. O. Umpire. O. Another sound of letter U is U. Long sound U, same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, U, utensils. U, uniform. U, unicorn. U, unity. U. Letter V. V says V. V is for vest. V, vulture. V, van. V, valley. V. Letter W. W says W. W is for wand. W, what. W, whale. W, wolf. W. Letter X. X says X. X is for exit. X, exam. X, six. X, box. X. Letter Y. Y says Y. Y is for yam. Y, yak. Y, yo-yo. Y, yat. Y. Letter Z. Z says Z. Z is for zoo. Z, zoom. Z, zipper. Z, zigzag. Z.